Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your Jazzcash account is verified, and your phone supports NFC. Open the Jazzcash app, sign in, and grant NFC permissions when prompted. This allows contactless taps. Once done, top up your wallet or confirm a linked card so payments won't fail. Make sure your device's NFC toggle is enabled in settings. You'll now move to configuring the contactless payment method inside the app, which prepares secure tokens used for transactions at POS terminals. You now configure the NFC payment flow inside the Jazzcash app. Go to Payments, select Contactless, and choose your default funding source. The app will request OTP or your Jazzcash PIN to generate a secure token. This is why verification matters. Once approved, the app stores a token linked to your device. It never sends raw card data. Next, test by tapping at a merchant POS with a small amount. If the POS prompts, select credit or contactless, then hold your phone flat over the terminal briefly. You finish payments by confirming the success message and retaining the receipt. You can also view the transaction in history. If something goes wrong, first check balance and that NFC is enabled, then reopen the app and ensure it's updated. Once done, try toggling NFC off and on, restart the phone, and retry the tap. If declines persist, re-verify your payment method or re-register the device tokens in settings. This resets the secure credentials that enable contactless payments, resolving most stubborn errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.